You ever wonder how the world's greatest inventions are changing travel? Well, fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the innovations that are transforming the way we explore the globe. From the Wright brothers' first airplane to the supersonic jets of today, aviation has come a long way, shrinking our world and connecting distant cities. In the early days, traveling by air meant facing dangerous conditions and unpredictable journeys. But with advancements like GPS, radar, and autopilot, flying has become safer and more efficient than ever before. But that's not all. Modern planes are equipped with in-flight entertainment systems, Wi-Fi, and lie-flat seats, ensuring that passengers can work, relax, and stay connected during their journey. With low-cost airlines and budget-friendly destinations, more people than ever can experience the thrill of air travel and explore new horizons without breaking the bank. Take a moment to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and tap that bell icon. Let's keep going. Next, we have the automobile, a true game changer that has revolutionized the way we travel on the ground. The invention of the car allowed people to escape the constraints of fixed routes and schedules, offering them the freedom to explore at their own pace. Today's vehicles are more advanced than ever, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, and self-driving capabilities making travel safer and more enjoyable. Electric cars are becoming more popular, reducing our carbon footprint and paving the way for a greener future. With the rise of ride-sharing services, travelers can easily hail a cab or book a ride with just a few taps on their smartphones, making navigating unfamiliar cities a breeze. Now, let's shift our focus to the waterways, where ships and boats have played a vital role in connecting cultures and facilitating trade for centuries. From luxurious ocean liners to high-speed ferries, water-based transportation offers a unique and unforgettable travel experience. Today's vessels are designed with passenger comfort in mind, featuring spacious cabins, gourmet dining, and state-of-the-art entertainment systems. Cruise ships are now floating cities, offering a wide range of activities and amenities to keep guests entertained throughout their journey. With advancements in shipbuilding technology, we've seen the rise of eco-friendly vessels that minimize their environmental impact, allowing us to explore our planet's vast waterways while preserving their beauty for future generations. But it's not just about getting from one place to another. Travel is about discovering new cultures, immersing ourselves in different ways of life, and creating unforgettable memories. And that's where the magic of travel inventions comes in. Imagine the excitement of exploring ancient ruins in Rome or marveling at the Eiffel Tower in Paris, all while experiencing the local culture and cuisine. Travel inventions have made it possible for us to bridge the gaps between languages, customs, and traditions, bringing people and cultures closer together. From portable translators to smartphone apps that offer real-time language conversion, communication has never been easier. With these tools, travelers can interact with locals, order food, and ask for directions with confidence, fostering meaningful connections and creating lasting memories. Moreover, advancements in camera technology have enabled us to capture stunning photos and videos, allowing us to relive our adventures and share them with friends and family. Drones, GoPro cameras, and even smartphones have become essential tools for capturing breathtaking aerial footage and immersive experiences. These technological marvels allow us to explore new perspectives, discover hidden gems, and create visual stories that bring our travels to life. Furthermore, travel inventions have addressed the challenges of staying connected on the go. Satellite internet and mobile networks have expanded to remote areas, ensuring that travelers can stay connected and share their experiences in real time. Portable Wi-Fi hotspots and international roaming plans allow us to navigate unfamiliar cities, access important information, and stay entertained throughout our journeys. In conclusion, travel inventions have revolutionized the way we explore the world, making it more accessible, convenient, and immersive than ever before. From aviation and automobiles to ships and translation devices, these innovations have shaped the travel industry, connecting people, cultures, and experiences. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more exciting developments that will push the boundaries of exploration and create new possibilities for travelers worldwide. What are your thoughts on how travel inventions are changing the world? Share your ideas in the comments section below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our latest videos. Thanks for tuning in. Safe travels and happy exploring.